The number of people who watched a TV episode is a function of that show's episode number. Here are graphs of three functions, A, B, and C, each representing a different TV show. When comparing functions represented on different graphs, you need to consider the units of each axis of each graph. Notice that the horizontal axis is changing by the same interval in each graph, but the vertical axis is not. Each graph has a different vertical scale. Which is greatest, A of 7, B of 7, or C of 7? Explain what the answer means in the context of the problem. The function values A of 7, B of 7, and C of 7 represent the audience for the 7th episode of each show. To determine which show had the greatest audience for the 7th episode, you need to find each function's value for the input 7. If you ignore the units and just look at the shape of the graph, show A looks like it has the greatest audience. But when you take the units into consideration, show A has the smallest maximum value on the vertical axis. Show B has the greatest maximum value on the vertical axis, but the shape of the graph shows the audience declining. The shape of show C's graph shows the interest was pretty consistent for the first 4 episodes. Then there was a huge spike for the 5th episode before it declined starting with the 6th episode. Find the value, or at least an approximation, of each graph when the episode number is 7. Show B's graph was deceiving, but it had the most audience members watching the 7th episode.